Hi there, hope you're all doing well. With all of my prep work for UKGE finished now, I can get back to painting other minis, starting off with Noble 6 from Halo Flashpoint. I primed him black and get started with some more, black over all of the underlayer and the Spartan laser. The reason I'm going over the black again is so that if I make a mistake, I have some regular paint I can use to cover it up instead of trying to use the primer again. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord, use the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on or just hang out and chat. I hope you enjoy the video and find it useful. Using the black as the shadow colour, I mixed in a little deep grey and gave all of the raised parts a quick highlight. There isn't too much on the undersuit that needs doing at this point, but the laser gets a lot more work on this. Getting the bulk of the highlighting done on the undersuit now, I mixed in a little bit more deep grey and brought up all of the edges. On the laser, this is the most of the edges, but some of the other parts get pretty covered as well as they're in direct light. For the final step of the laser and the undersuit, I mixed in some more deep grey and brought up the sharpest edges that would just be in direct sunlight from above. I did mix a lot of this colour as well, more than I intended to, so I actually used this as the shadow colour for the grey armour, giving everything a quick once over. Next up, I move to the main colour of the armour, which is pure deep grey. Since I already have the base coat down, I tweak this as the mid-tone and leave the darker tone in the shadows and the recessed parts. Going around the edges on the armour panels, I mixed in some neutral grey into that deep grey and just brought up all of the edges facing upwards. That is the majority of the mini finished. Noble 6 doesn't really have anything distinct about him, unlike the rest of Noble team, which makes sense. You don't really see yourself in the game, so it just makes sense to not add anything extra. But to add a little colour, I want to start off with golden brown on the visor and the little nubbin on the Spartan laser. After a couple of layers of base coating them, these parts get a few highlights with more and more ice yellow mixed into that golden brown. On the card art, there are a few blue glowy bits that I wanted to add in. These start off with a couple of coats of magic blue to get that nice smooth layer. The lights are then highlighted in the centers with magic blue and ice yellow mixed together. It's time to get the base started with some charred brown across all of the muddy ground parts. I keep this pretty thin down so it stays wetter for longer. The reason for this is so that I can wet blend in a mixture of charred brown and ice yellow. This just gives some random variation and helps things look a bit more natural. The remaining parts of the base are all metal plates. These all start off with a mixture of deep grey and ice yellow. I could have gone for pure deep grey on this one, but I wanted to look different from the armor panels. All of the recesses are left black as well, just to add that extra definition into those panels. The panels are then highlighted in random places with some more ice yellow mixed in. And then finished off with more ice yellow mixed in and an edge highlight. And that will be it for Noble 6. There isn't much to him really. I essentially just painted him like I do the ODSTs. But I do like how it came out. Not using a wash gives that minion a bit of a nice quality I feel when viewing it from the tabletop distance. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord, use the link in the description, where you can share anything you've been hobbying on, or just hang out and chat. For those of you who want to pick up some new painting supplies or some new minis, there are a couple of affiliate links in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.